we're going to start with some algebra review. I don't think, oh yeah, it'll let me focus. There we go. With some algebra review of the exponential functions. An exponential function is of the form f of x is equal to the b to the x, or y equals b to the x, where b is some positive constant other than 1. B has to be positive, b can't be 1. Raising 1 to a power doesn't make any sense. And x is any real number. So examples would be f of x equals 2 to the x, g of x equals 4 to the x, h of x equals 5 to the x plus 1. Now, what does the graph of a basic exponential function look like? Well, if I take a look, its domain, no denominator, no radical. So his domain is all real numbers. And if I look at taking the limit as x goes to infinity of 2 to the x, well, this is 2 to the infinity, or infinity. So as s goes to infinity, y is going up. And if x goes to negative infinity, this is 2 to the x, which is 2 to the negative infinity, which is 1 over 2 to the infinity, or it goes to 0. So I have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. So if I label in and put in my HA, and now just kind of do a little T-bar chart. So it's all real numbers, so negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. So this would be 2 to the negative 2, which is 1/4, 2 to the negative 1, which is 1/2, 2 to the 0, which is 1, 2 to the 1, which is 2, 2 to the 2, which is 4. So negative 2 is about 1/4, 1/2, 1, 1 is 2, 1, 2 is 4. So now if I go to draw him, that's what he looks like. Goes to infinity. As x goes to infinity, y is going to infinity. If x goes to negative infinity, y goes to 0. So you notice his range is 0, infinity. Now if I look at f of x equals 1/2 to the x power, his domain also is all real numbers. And if I take the limit as x goes to infinity and 1/2 to the x power, this is the same as the limit as x goes to infinity of 2 to the minus x, which is 2 to the minus infinity, which is 1 over 2 to the infinity, or 0. So he has an HA at y equals 0. And the limit as x goes to infinity of 1/2 to the x, which is 2 to the negative 1/2, or 2 to the, distracted by the phone there for a second, which is the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 2 to the negative x, which is 2 to the negative infinity, or 2 to the infinity, which goes to infinity. So he's going to be reversed from what we see. So here is his HA. And if I take a look at a T-bar chart, I'm going to draw it higher this time. So negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. This would be 1/2 to the negative 2, which is 4. 1/2 to negative 1, which is 2, 1/2 to the 0, which is 1, 1/2 to the 1, which is 1/2, 1/2 to the 2, which is 1/4. So at negative 2, it's going to be 4. At negative 1, it is 2. 1. Now it's going to come down this direction. And so you can see his range is also 0 to infinity.